How to fix the mouse cursor disappearing or not showing on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when your cursor becomes invisible. First, press Ctrl on your keyboard a couple of times, since this sometimes forces the cursor to reappear briefly. After that, check if the cursor is visible now by moving your mouse. From there, if it's still missing, click on the Start menu and open Settings. At this point, click on Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Mouse. In the next step, click on Additional Mouse Settings. Following this, click on the Pointer Options tab in the window that opens. Once done, uncheck Hide Pointer while typing if it's currently checked. From here, click Apply, then OK to save the change. At this stage, if the cursor is still not visible, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager instead. Keep in mind, expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click on your mouse and select Update Driver, since a corrupted driver can also cause this issue. Finally, restart your computer once you've completed these steps to confirm the cursor is visible again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the mouse cursor disappearing on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.